Simple steps for improving your eyesight. When we can't see clearly, we grasp at what we can. While we can't correct vision without the help of lenses or surgery, there are some fundamental ways you can improve your eyesight and eye health on your own. The best way to improve your eyesight naturally is to give your eyes what they need to be healthy. A steady supply of nutritious foods and vitamins keeps your eyes, and your body in general, at their peak. Vitamins and antioxidants. Two common vitamins and antioxidants shown to help improve eyesight include Vitamin A. Deficiencies hurt our supply of a pigment called rhodopsin that's critical for seeing in low light and at night. Lutein. How lutein helps your eyes. Lutein is a pigment found in high concentrations in a layer of the retina where pigment-packed cells help shield against excess light. Solid scientific research shows that lutein supplementation aids this process in our eyes to naturally improve vision. Many of the vitamins and antioxidants that improve eyesight naturally are found in common foods, including carrots, kale, spinach and collard greens, vitamin A and lutein. Liver, vitamin A, including cod liver oil, Swiss chard, zucchini and Brussels sprouts. Lutein, sweet potatoes and butter. Vitamin A. Will eye exercises save my sight? Or just make me roll my eyes? Many eye exercises are touted as ways to naturally improve eyesight and overcome nearsightedness. The Bates method suggests palming, movement and visualization techniques to reshape the eyeball and improve vision. Yan Bao Jian Kao suggests massage and acupressure as ways to relieve strain and eye problems. However, none of these exercises are verified to have more than anecdotal or placebo results. While vision therapy is a serious area of optometry that addresses problems with alignment, tracking and strain, there's no sound evidence that vision exercises can affect clarity. We can't correct our vision without professional help, and there's no quick and easy fix for eyesight problems. But with tools such as good nutrition and diet, you can still help your eyesight naturally and on your own. As always, please discuss with your eye doctor.